In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the differences between two popular scheduling tools, Calendly and Zoom Scheduler. This breakdown is designed to help you determine which tool might be the best fit for your needs, especially if scheduling is a big part of your workflow. Let's dive in and explore what each has to offer, weighing their main purposes, ease of use, and unique features. First off, let's talk about the primary purpose of each of these tools. Calendly is a dedicated scheduling tool that's incredibly powerful and versatile. It's designed to handle all your scheduling needs with precision, offering a wide range of functionalities that cater to various professional requirements. On the other hand, Zoom Scheduler is built mainly for scheduling Zoom meetings. It's tailored to integrate seamlessly with Zoom, making it a perfect choice if your main focus is organizing Zoom-based meetings alone. So, if scheduling forms the core of your workflow, Calendly should be your go-to, as it stands out with its robust capabilities. Now, when it comes to ease of use, both Calendly and Zoom Scheduler have their distinct advantages. Calendly boasts a super simple, polished interface that users find intuitive and straightforward. It's designed to make the entire scheduling process as seamless as possible. Meanwhile, Zoom Scheduler is quite easy to navigate, especially if you're already familiar with the Zoom platform. It smoothly aligns with what existing Zoom users are accustomed to. Although both are very beginner-friendly, Calendly has a slight edge due to its refined user experience, which many find more polished and user-friendly. Moving on to features, this is where Calendly really shines. It offers custom booking links, which allow you to create personalized experiences for your clients or colleagues. Additionally, Calendly comes with payment integration options, supporting both Stripe and PayPal, which is incredibly useful for managing transactions directly through your scheduling tool. Calendly also supports integrations with various calendars like Google Calendar and Outlook, ensuring that all your appointments are synchronized across platforms. Zoom Scheduler, while effective, provides a more basic feature set. It allows you to schedule Zoom meetings quickly, set up basic availability, and auto-generate Zoom links for ease of access. However, if you're looking for a tool with an extensive feature list, Calendly clearly takes the lead here. As we wrap up, it's evident that while both Calendly and Zoom Scheduler have their own strengths, the choice really depends on your specific needs. If you are heavily reliant on scheduling in your work, Calendly offers a more comprehensive toolset. Meanwhile, if your focus is predominantly on Zoom meetings, then Zoom Scheduler might suit you just fine. Either way, both tools can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your scheduling process. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this information helps you make an informed decision on which scheduling tool best suits your needs.